You know, and I was younger. I mean, I still like to call myself young. But when I was a young kid.
Compared to me, you are younger, yes.
And we would go on family trips. You know how it is. The kids are in the back. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? It's kind of like that now with the Kennedy half dollars of 2023, the silver proof. Is it there yet? Is it available yet? Yes, it is. It is finally available. We are there, and we're ready to bring out the 4-piece set, the Philadelphia and Denver uncirculated, plus the clad proof. And finally, after much wait, we are there yet. We are there with the silver proof. That coin all the way on the right is that silver proof.
I have to say, in the last 30 days, if I've been asked by customer service and some of our people in the concierge side of the business, 50 times, is the silver coming out? When's the silver coming out? Do you have it in stock yet? It's like, guys, it's published information. You can find it yourself, but obviously that doesn't matter. And when we were kids, we could read miles, 89 miles, 69 miles, 55 miles. We're getting closer, but are we there yet? Is the truth. The reason why everybody's asking is it's the holy grail of the Kennedy every year. Since 1992, which was the 25th anniversary of San Francisco, we have been making 2 proofs, a clad proof and a silver proof. And the silver proof has been the lower mintage every single year. The Kennedy being the most popular of all collectibles today, modern issue. And why do I say that? Just think about this one. The last Kennedy struck for circulation was 2001. So 22 years ago. In 2002, they weren't making them anymore. We didn't like it, we complained, and the government said we're going to make it for collectors. Bags, rolls, we'll put it in the uncirculated set, we'll put it in the clad set, we'll put it in the silver proof set. We're going to keep going. Last year, 2022, the U.S. Mint announced we only are making 1.5 million Kennedys, P's and D's individually, 3 million altogether. The thing sold out in less than 5 minutes. That's 1.5 million collectors of Kennedys on the marketplace per se, for a coin that hasn't been in circulation for 20 plus years. It's been out there. Again, next year is the 60th anniversary, right?
Yeah.
2024, 1964. So we have this wonderful coin. And tonight we can finally bring out the granddaddy of collections. It's all of them, the 4-piece.
So you have the Philadelphia and Denver uncirculated issues, again, only made available in bags and rolls, of course, the uncirculated set. Those 2 proofs there, you have the clad San Francisco proof. The proofs are a method of manufacture only made available in that proof set. Those are the sets made for collectors. They've been making them especially for collectors since the year 1950. So you have that clad proof in this collection and the silver proof. We'll get back to that in just a second and show you that. But this is the reverse side of the uncirculated, the Philadelphia. And at $99.95, you get all 4. We're going to give you some breakdown on the vintage figures to show you why it's just so very special. But we couldn't find anybody else out with this exact 4-piece set, right? But we can tell you that competition is selling last year's set from, I don't know, anywhere. I think just the silver proof alone is No, that's the set. $179 to $195 just for the silver proof set.
The silver alone, which has a mintage of 100,000 more coins, is selling for more than we're selling all the coins, including the silver, at a much lower rate. And that's the real deal. So with the P's and the D's out there at $2.95 to $3 a coin, with the clad out there at $29 to $39, the question is the silver. So why are the silver so expensive now? What happened in the last 2 years? The U.S. Mint moved the price point on the silver proof set. I mean, our competition was on the air this weekend at $179, and one of the big catalogers is at $199 for the 2023 silver proof set. What's the biggest silver coin in the proof set? Ding, ding, ding.
This coin right there.
Kennedy half dollar. So as a result, everything's been pushed because the silver value is always dictated by the biggest silver coin. But there's also other anomalies. And I look at this every year and I still shake my head because we have a short memory but a long one with collectors. 2012 was the first year the silver proof set was under 400,000. Remember the 396,000 and change? It was a big deal, big story. Let's talk about it. You know, the silver Kennedy still sells for $250 to $270, we can't keep it in stock. And
just that
that was give or take 400,000.
Right.
Last year's coin, 245,000. This year, we're only at 155, and the numbers are this. Last year, we were at 65% after 30 days. So if 155 is the number, give or take 30, 40 days, then just extrapolate the math. We are barely going to get over 200,000 silver proof sets sold, making this the key modern day rarity in the silver Kennedys, period. To a point where it's going to be lower than the 2014 special anniversary silver set. I mean, track it, look at it. We do this for a living, so we always pay attention to the numbers. Right now, it's kind of like an election. We're going to call this state 4, right? We're looking at the silvers right now, and the numbers where we are today versus upon where they were last year at this time, and then now where that is, tells us this is going to be a real special year. And even with that said, our competition's still selling them for more money, substantially more money. So get them while they last. The P, the D, the S, clad, and the key coin, that pure silver, 0.999.
Right, they transitioned over to that 0.999 silver quite a few years ago. This set here in 2019, to be specific, this set here is that 0.999 silver proof Kennedy half dollar. And you're getting all the other coins with it, the Philadelphia, Denver uncirculated, plus that high quality strike of the proof, the clad, right from the clad proof set, and of course that key, the silver proof, where we're at just over 155,000 made so far, the lowest production to date. And Steve referenced that 2012, the first time ever that the mintage figure was under 400,000 at 396,000. 2012 silver proof Kennedys made. That coin alone is selling for almost $270.
Well, just look at all the sets in pure silver. 2019, 412,000. 2020, 313,000. 2021, 300,000. Last year, 245,000. Right now we're at 155. All these tiny numbers. What's the common denominator across the board? All of them. $80 to $100 silver Kennedys by themselves. And last year, because we were under 300,000 at 245, as you referenced, they're at 129.50 for that coin alone. And this one's gonna be rarer, period.
Give us a ring, folks. Don't miss out on this one. It is the 2023, finally, the Kennedy half dollar 4-piece set, including that silver proof, directly from the silver proof set, much awaited. abccoins.com is the website. We are very, very low on these, $99.95. We are going to probably have to do a hot cut at this point because we got so carried away talking about all the specifics here and all those wonderful facts about the mintage figures, but save substantially.
I guess the answer is, I had you at hello, right? On this one, I think all we had to do is say silver Kennedys are in stock, and we just got to talk about it for 8 minutes. Thanks, everybody. It's time to be moving on.